So I just got done doing an inspection. Well, actually, I got done doing a site visit for the house that you see right here. And so the neighbor, those nosy neighbors, will call in if people are doing work without a permit. And so this one of these neighbors around here, I think it's the guy next door, has been calling and is blowing up our phone about work without a permit. So they do have a permit for the roof, but they don't have any permits for any of the additional work that they're getting ready to do or that they've already started. So I had to show up and I had to tell the guy, like, hey, you can't put in windows without getting a permit. And if you're doing interior remodel, if you're putting in any new plumbing fixtures or doing any new electrical work, you need permits for it. And if you're doing work without a permit, there's extra fees and stop works that are involved, and it can be no fun. And so I kind of threw the guy a bone today. I like to try to do the best I can for customer service, and I just said, hey, go get your permits. I'll give you a couple days, get your permits, and just call for your inspections. Don't cover anything up, and we should be good to go. I said if I don't see a permit in the system in the next couple days, I have to come put an actual stop work on it, and then there's going to be a bunch of extra fees involved to get your permits for work without a permit. And so he seemed to be receptive to that, but just one of those reasons why it's important to make sure you call for your inspections, you know what's required, and you know the process for doing whatever home project that you are working on. A lot of this information is available in my guides. You can check out buildingcodetips.com if you're just curious about how the process works, or you need a little help with your home project. You want to make sure you're getting it done right and to code. I think I can help you out with that. So this has been with Building Code Tips, and just another reason why you want to get your permits. Make sure you do it right, call for your inspections, and save yourself the headache down the road.